The world's ecosystems are depleting very fast. This situation is threatening livelihoods, accelerating the extinction of wildlife species through habitat loss, and posing a bigger danger to the very existence of humans. Deforestation and desertification sit among the top list of contributing factors leading to the loss of forest ecosystems which provide essential life-supporting services. We are at a crossroads, and action is needed to halt ecosystem destruction. The UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration is an important step as it aims to halt and reverse the degradation of ecosystems as part of efforts to address challenges such as poverty, combat climate change and prevent mass extinction. Bamboo, a fast-growing plant which covers about 35 million hectares globally, has proven to be an important nature-based solution, with demonstrated potential to contribute to ecosystem restoration and provide clean energy and sustainable livelihoods for many communities. The potential of bamboo to check soil erosion, protect water bodies and sequester atmospheric carbon makes it an important nature-based tool to combat climate change. INBAR has been working on a number of projects to mitigate and adapt to climate change through land restoration and sustainable management of bamboo forests and farms, water resource mapping and bamboo-based watershed management. INBAR is now a partner of the UN Decade on Ecosystems Restoration from 2021 to 2030, with commitments by member states to restore 5 million hectares of degraded lands with bamboo by 2030. INBAR projects in Central, East and West Africa are working to restore over 15,000 hectares of degraded land under the Inter-Africa Bamboo and Dutch Sino program. Under the Restoration Initiative, INBAR is supporting the government of Cameroon to restore degraded land using bamboo. Over 100 hectares of degraded land have been restored so far under the initiative. Smallholder farmers are also being trained in bamboo propagation, climate-smart farming methods, and bamboo agroforestry models to reduce climate change impacts. According to data from the UN Comrade database in 2019, exports of bamboo and rattan commodities reached $3.4 billion United States dollars. This is an increase of 5% in 2018. The wide range of products made from bamboo such as furniture, paper, clothing, and housing construction is evidence of its economic potential to promote green growth and sustainable development when utilized appropriately. INBAR's contribution to poverty reduction under SDG 1 has involved the implementation of pro-poor livelihood development programs targeting smallholder farmers, women and youth in Tanzania, Mozambique, Madagascar, Ethiopia, Kenya, and Uganda over the years. The ongoing Phase 2 of the Dutch Sino Bamboo Development Program in East Africa, for example, is targeting 28,500 direct beneficiaries in Ethiopia, Kenya, and Uganda in livelihood development activities that would lead to poverty reduction. Additionally, a total of 30,000 smallholder farmers, women and youth are also expected to benefit from improved incomes and livelihoods under the ongoing Inter-Africa Bamboo Smallholder Farmers Livelihood Development Program in Cameroon, Ghana, Ethiopia, and Madagascar. Learning from success stories from Ethiopia and Madagascar under the program, 2 bamboo common production and training centers have also been established in Cameroon and Ghana to provide skills training in bamboo product manufacture, job creation and livelihood enhancement for over 2,500 beneficiaries. To promote clean and renewable energy under SDG 7, INBAR has implemented bamboo biomass for clean energy projects for rural poor households in Ghana, Ethiopia, Tanzania, and Madagascar with over $3 million United States dollars worth of investment in the sector, with funding support from the German Ministry of Education and Research and the International Fund for Agricultural Development. Bamboo biomass can be used directly as fuel wood or modified into charcoal for cooking and heating. It can also be gasified for thermal and electrical energy generation. Between 2009 to 2013, about 35,458 households have benefited from the use of bamboo charcoal and bamboo firewood. 216 medium-scale enterprises have also been supported to produce bamboo charcoal energy-efficient stoves for local communities. INBAR has also put together a task force on bamboo for renewable energy, with experts from 12 African countries to develop voluntary guideline standards which would enable countries to conform to the best standards as established by the African and the International Standards Organization. Identifying environmentally sustainable and affordable building materials has become important in meeting the housing needs of many. Bamboo provides safe, affordable, and environmentally friendly housing materials, as seen across different parts of the world. Contributing to sustainable cities and communities under SDG 11, INBAR has implemented projects to promote bamboo-friendly housing by developing and marketing panel-based housing systems, bioclimatic and disaster-resilient bamboo housing technologies in Madagascar, Ethiopia, Kenya, and Uganda with support from partners such as the International Development Research Center. INBAR's task force on bamboo construction through its South-South Knowledge Transfer Protocol is working to integrate bamboo into strategic housing and infrastructure plans as a means of providing affordable housing to bridge the rising housing deficit. Sustainable consumption of the world's natural resources is at the heart of the Sustainable Development Goal 12. Bamboo has proven as an excellent renewable resource with thousands of documented uses that can substitute materials with high carbon emissions and reduce pressures on forest resources. Therefore, degraded land restoration activities using bamboo may not only be helping reverse desertification or combating climate change, but also serving as a sustainable natural resource material for green growth and economic empowerment for many people and communities.